She wants to dance like Uma Thurman, bury me till I confess. She wants to dance like Uma Thurman, and I can't get you out of my head. The stench of summer sex and CK eternity. Oh hell yes.
Welcome to Jukin, Jiga. Just got back from a long day of work. I swear, some days just feel horrible. Well, the same time, same 8 hours, but it just feels a lot worse. Tunnel exhaust! Oh man, look at that juicy lane splittage if it was legal. Oh my god. Look at, should I just go? No, it's okay, I shouldn't go. Or should I go? No, I shouldn't go, it's okay. That bastard just threw a cigarette out the window. Oh, hell no, you didn't lit her. Today wasn't that bad of a day, it was slow as hell at work, but I just found out Baker X Derek subscribed to my Instagram. He's like the one dude that I've always watched. And it's just awesome. I feel like a celebrity's following me on Instagram. Stop throwing your cigarettes out the window, you nasty woman. Stop it. Since Baker X Derek started following me on Instagram, I thought I'd do a CHEAH video. Because I'm really bad at them. Might as well try them out, you know. Here's attempt number 1. CHEAH. That sounded horrible. CHEAH. 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 I suck, man. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with the cheers. CHEAH. 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 Is it CHEAH or CHEAH? Cause it sounds more like a CHEAH. Like CHEAH. Oh fuck! I'm spitting all over my visor. CHEAH. 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 Ooh, oh my god, look how fugly that Nissan Murano is. Oh my god. Take that plasti dip shit off. Don't do that to a Murano. Those are respected SUVs. The fuck you doing? Oh my god, custom spray my asshole. More like I just bought a whole bunch of things, plasti dip. CHEAH. 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 Shit. The fuck you put on my bike? What is this? Oh hell no. Man, whatever. Don't be putting shit on my iris. Only I get to put shit on you like this. Ian 187, you can't really see your sticker because it's like dark red. But look, it's here. Thank you for sending it to me. Didn't really ask for it, but also, oh my god! The fuck? Look how big this bird shit is. How does bird shit even fall over there? What is that? It's like as big as my... Look at this! Oh my god, oh my god. Jesus. I'm sorry, Iris. Give you a bike wash when I get back home. She wants to dance like Uma Thurman, bury me till I confess. got done helping my fiance move her shit into her classroom. School teachers got way too much respect for them. Oh, fuck me. Well, guys, thank you for watching me fail at, oh my god, Baker X Derek's little CHEAH. Don't forget to follow me on that Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video below. Alright, Jiggy out.